Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Let's get into the content. Today I would like to tell you a simple and a very easy way to create a Spring Boot project. Sometimes we feel easy when we have a blueprint of any project we are doing so that we can make our work more easy. In the same way, Spring Initializr here provides you with the blueprint of the project. So let's get into the content and I would explain step-by-step procedure involved in this. So firstly, go to any browser that you are using, and enter the URL that I have mentioned here. I have also provided the link in the description box. Now the screen looks this way. Now you have to provide here which the basic intermediate information to it, so that it can create a demo project for you. So let's do it. Here I have select Maven or Gradle according to your project requirement. After this step, you have to select the language in which you are planning to build the application. Here I have selected it as Java. But in the same way you can make your selection according to your requirement. Later you have to mention your Spring Boot version that you wanted to work on. Then now comes the main part, that is, the metadata of the project. These are the details through which your pom.xml is generated, and in turn it generates the structure of the project. First give a unique group name and group section. Then comes the artifact, which in common terms known as the name of the project. So mention the artifact which resemble as the name of the project in the structure. Also specify the name again, and also you can add the description in few words. Then comes the package name, which it generate automatically with the combination of group and the artifact. I will be mentioning the link of pom.xml video, in which I have explained about the important elements of pom.xml. Then comes the important point here. When you install Spring Tool Suite, STS, in your system, this software installs on a basic mandatory requirement of Java 8. So guys, installation of Java 8 or any of the latest version after Java 8 is the most important point that you have to remember. So basing on that you can select the Java version over here and then more to the next step. Final step is Dependencies section. So here we would add the basic dependencies needed according to the requirement. I would like to add a point over here. Later also you can add the dependencies manually in the pom.xml of your project whenever you feel like necessary. So I have added few basic dependencies here, like Web, DevTools, JPA, and H2. As you can see here, description and its use is being mentioned below every dependency. After adding all the information, now click on the Generate button below. Now, as you can see, this generate the zip file of the complete project structure. Take this zip file and place it in a folder and unzip the file. Do share your views on this video and also share your thoughts in comment section. So this is one of the simple way through which you can generate a Spring Boot project. So guys, please comment if you need any clarification on this topic. In the next video, I would explain you how to create a simple Hello World project using this unzipped folder. Until then, stay safe and healthy. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.